this video, I'm going to show you how you can change video audio language in Netflix. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so you can change the language of audio on your videos or on your movies in Netflix by just following these simple steps. First, go to the movie that you would like to change the audio language. As you can see, this is an English audio movie, but I'd like to change this to another language, maybe Polish. So to do that, just head over to this icon here, and if you hover over it, you can see we have the audio. The current audio language is English, which is original. Now to change this to a different language, hover over to these languages that are here. For instance, I'd like to change this to Polish or say Hindi. So I'll go ahead and tap on it. And now if I go ahead and play the video, it will load fast to apply the audio you want. And now listen, that is correct. Now the language has been converted from English to Hindi. So that's how you can change audio language on your videos on Netflix. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.